we made up a solution, and my guess is we made it too dilute because it's not setting up. It's not gelling. Perhaps I didn't boil it. I'm gonna take that and boil it and see what happens, and then see if it'll set up into a solid, and then I might try this again. Trying to run some gel electrophoresis runs. Check out this Agarose gel. This actually heated for longer and did a better job at gelling. So it makes me think I just didn't heat it long enough, perhaps. I know gel is not spelled correctly. Please disregard. So I reheated the Agarose and repoured it, and now it has the gelling power that I originally wanted and that I did not get. That seemed to be the answer.